Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to set self-destruction timer on Telegram media. So, let's do it. Click on clip icon, select your media, and click here. Select the time. I selected 10 seconds. And send it. Now I'm here in the second Telegram account. I open the media, and the self-destruction timer is started. Now the media is disappeared. I don't know why, but when I open the media, it's considering that I took screenshot. I think it's kind of a bug of Telegram. We hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion, whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!